And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, happy Friday. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. How is everybody? Friday, June 21st. Wow. Seems yesterday, right? We just started. Anyway, everybody, don't forget we have one more week to go and then we go on vacation, alright? And we are going to be back in September. So July, August, it's off for me, the boss. For the boss, it's 2 months vacation. Anyway, today we have market structure and trends, hard time frames and smaller time frames. Sound check. Okay, it's working. Let's open. We are on J4X 4 today. I couldn't open yesterday, so J4X 4. Alright, let's go here. Let's open this one. Give me a second. New version. I'm going to do it later. Give me a second. No, the Forex course 2 classes are going to continue normally. No, don't worry. Just the Dukascopy streams. I'm going on vacation, Otherwise, everybody... No, don't worry, Forex course 2. It's going to work normally, alright? Just quickly, everybody, remember trading is a learnable skill. The goal is to go from 0 to hero in 3 years on average in an institutional way. You are first an analyst, then you are a trader. And you are going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works. So you can predict the market to a certain degree. Now today we're going to work on number 3. Please disclaimer, the stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And if you want the free manual, give me a second. If you want the free manual, and today we have hard time frames and smaller time frames, which is super interesting. Hard time frames and smaller time frames. There you go. It's a subject that is super interesting, and we're going to open NZD CAD for the time being. NZD CAD monthly chart. Alright, everybody, if you want the free manual, send me an email, okay? Say, hello Mike, how are you? Give me the free manual, whatever. And for extra webinars, seminars, we have Skype. So this is NZD CAD, UTC, alright. And as we learned, everybody, just quickly, we've learned about the monthly bands, right? So this would be the upper band somewhere, and this would be the lower band somewhere, okay? And then we've learned about the market wave, also called market structure trends. Yeah, we are on J4X 4 today because it's not going to be a lot of text. So the market structure trends, higher high, this is the highest high, right? Highest high, I believe this is the, give me a second, everybody. I need to double check this one. And so this was a higher high, right? This was the higher high, so extension, retracement, and finally we go to the extension and maybe retracement so far. And we're going to color code this in red and this in red too. Come on, there you go. And now we're going to clone the charts. Clone chart, and clone chart, and clone chart. And we are going to do something like this. We're going to have two charts here, or maybe like this, even better, right? Okay, everybody? So you have the monthly chart, then you have left down corner, you have the weekly chart, up right corner you have the daily chart, hopefully, and the right down corner you have the 2-hour chart. Alright everybody? Now I'm going to open the 2-hour chart and I'm going to zoom out and I'm asking you, boss, buy or sell? Long or short, what would you do? How are you going to trade NZD on the 2-hour chart? Everybody, there is no right or wrong. You can say buy, you can say sell. There is no right or wrong. Or if I go on the... give me a second because I want to trick you. This is a very interesting lesson for you to understand how to predict the market to a certain degree. Alright, there you go. Alright everybody, you are the boss, you are the trader, you are the teacher, I'm the student. What would you advise me to do? Would you advise me to buy the market? And why? Or would you advise me to sell the market and why? By the way, don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Sandy, hedge fund trader 4K. On YouTube, what would you tell me? For today or maybe Monday, you know, today it's Friday. For the next week, what would you advise me to do on NZD 4-hour chart? And I went on the 4-hour chart because if I go on the 2-hour chart, you would have a limited view. On the 2-hour chart, you would see just this piece of information, which is not enough. Buy or sell? Anybody wants to take a... Remember everybody, there is no right or wrong. And it's Friday, so let's finish strong. No, there is no right or wrong. You can say buy the 2-hour chart, buy the... It's not just the 4-hour. You can say 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. You can say buy, or you can say 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, buy or sell. No, if you want, you can say patterns too, but it's just about direction. Boss, I don't see the 4-hour chart, how it goes up and down. Great question. So what if we go, I don't have it, but add more. Thank you very much. Let's say that we go on the 8-hour chart, apply, okay. Thank you very much for the comment. So 8-hour chart better. 8-hour chart. Everybody, this is the skill you are trying to learn, make sense? Now, We've learned trend lines, right? If I extend the trend line and I do something like this, is this trend line okay, everybody? Is this trend line correct? What do you think? Type in the chat. Is this downtrend line measuring lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows? Is the black trend line alright? Is it okay? On NZD 8 hour. Hello Sam, how are you? Is this downtrend line okay? So if this downtrend line is okay, then if I move the chart and if I increase the scale, do we agree that the market broke this downtrend line? And do we agree that if I extend this uptrend line, and I'm not going to ask you do we agree, I'm going to ask you, is my uptrend line okay? Can I assume as a beginner analyst, as you are, that this market, its extension, retracement, extension on NZD 8 hour chart? Can I assume this? Would it be anything wrong to assume? Everybody, I have 2 streaming platforms. Come on, YouTubers. You want to make money, you want to get rich, you want the Lambo? Talk to me. It's Friday. Sam says yes, it's okay because the trend is making hard highs, hard lows. Alright. So if I go on the 4 hour chart, Sam, thank you very much. I love you, man, because you are so, what's the word in English? So active on the chat. What would you tell me, everybody? Buy or sell? Based on what you see. This lesson today, it's an introduction to the more difficult lesson on Monday, and it's called multiple time frame trading, because the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. By the way, let me check my positions, everybody. I cannot ask you a question, it's because this is advanced trader stuff, but we... Give me a second. Everybody, can I brag a little bit? Can I brag a little bit? Can I brag? This week we made tons of money. Guess on what currency? Not currency pair, but currency. Yeah, can I brag sometimes, Julie? Give me a second. Alright, all good. Now let's focus on the lesson, right? But 80% of the Forex course 202, 80% of the advanced institutional trader course, they become pizza traders. I'm telling everybody, I'm showing them, in the trading group that I have, I'm showing everybody for months, oh, this is what I'm doing, and this is what I'm doing, and and this is what I'm doing, and on and on and on. We made tons of money this week on a specific currency. We traded all the currency pairs with this currency. Oh, by the way, and I'm teaching this next Saturday. How to maximize the profits. Not for beginner traders, by the way, I'm sorry, but for intermediate, advanced. How to maximize the profits with basket trading. So, hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Sandy, and hedge fund trader Julius on YouTube. Buy or sell? What would you tell me to do? Maybe if you want, you can choose today or starting on Monday. There is no right or wrong, everybody. We are here to learn. Boss, why is Bitcoin falling? Well, we talked about in the previous sessions, right? After everybody, cryptos are... Okay, one by one, okay? I'm going to answer to your questions, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. Number one, in my opinion, making money on the Forex market is easy. Because in the Forex market, you are trading technical patterns. I don't care what another guru is going to say. The Forex market, it's 90% technical. Okay? It's not affected that much from the news. Okay? And I know this goes into the nose of some people and gurus and teachers, you know, and I'm a small fish, I know, I'm not going to say any names, but, you know. Now the crypto market, you know, it's technical, but it's also fundamental. And this morning, CoinMarketCap sent me a news. Basically send the news all around the world that Germany dumped Bitcoin. I didn't read the article. This was just the title, and we can go. Give me a second, everybody. So why is Bitcoin falling, right? Give me a second. CoinMarketCap. Let me see if there is the news. Community, learn. Right. Accept. Top community post more. Let me see. Articles, there you go. Articles, rankings, top 10. Maybe not here. Give me a second, everybody. So Germany, come on. Okay, sorry about that. Germany drops Bitcoin. It was this morning. See, it's also on Yahoo. German government begins massive Bitcoin sell-off. Not on YouTube. Somebody's asking me on the other streaming platform, everybody. Sorry about that. It's asking, oh, why it's the Bitcoin falling. This is today, 10 hours ago. Okay? You can do whatever you want. You can trade cryptos. You can invest in cryptos. It's up to you. But I'm telling you, in my opinion, if you want to make money, if the Forex market, it's easy. Sam says if the strategy is short-term sell, the strategy is on, what means MRT, sorry? Sam and everybody else, we're asking about direction, alright? What do you see? What do you see, everybody? Would you tell, if you are the analyst, would you tell your trader, talking about general direction, would you tell your trader to buy today or on Monday, or would you tell your trader to sell today or on Monday? And you can argument, if you want to say sell, you can argument that, alright, long term we are up, but the market, just an example, the market broke the medium term uptrend line, just an example, how you can arguments, and you can say, well, this happened, and maybe, just maybe, the market's making lower lows, lower highs. So this for me would be a valid argument, a valid comment to short the market. So me as an analyst, I would tell my trader to do this. Okay, this would be one. Or because we didn't learn yet, you could say your trader, because we are at past, because we have an up market wave and we are at past support in here, I can tell my trader, well, we're at past support, so I'm expecting the market to go up. So, dear trader, we are going to wait and, we are going to buy this market because the green market wave is up, alright? All good? Alright, now I'm asking you, tell me what to do. No, I'm not talking about strategies, I'm talking about market direction. Hedge fund trader Sam, decide. Everybody decide. Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Sandy, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader 4K, decide. No, you cannot go both sides. You need to choose, you need to pick a side. Make sense, everybody? Based on what you see, would you sell or would you buy? And if not you, tell me. I believe the market is going to go up. I believe the market is going to go down. There is no right or wrong. Hedge fund trader Sam, what do you think? Boss, can you check the 8 hours? Yes. Let's go on the 8-hour chart again. Alright. Everybody, you guide me. Sam, you want to get rich, right? And be a professional trader? Pick a side, man. What would you do? Short-term trend is down, market wave is up. What are you going to do? And then I'm going to tell you the solution to this. But before we move forward, you need to pick a side. Make sense, everybody? Pick a side. There is no right or wrong. Yes, we have one more week to go, everybody. Then we go on vacation. Thank you very much for remembering me. So, for the students who are late, we have classes until Friday 28th. All right. No, you can trade the 1 hour chart. You can trade the 2 hour chart. This is the 8 hour chart. Now this is the 2 hour chart. All right. There is no right or wrong. You can say, boss, long on the 1 hour chart, boss, short on the 2 hour chart. Pick a side. No. So, no, you cannot trade both sides, all right? For today, you need to pick a side. You need to say, well, I'm going to sell the example. I'm going to sell the short-term downtrend example, right? Low to high to low, to high to lower low. Just for today. Or you can say, well, we had, give me a second, everybody. Okay, so if you can say, all right, if the market goes up and breaks the counter trend line, which we didn't learn yet, I believe, then I'm going to buy. Everybody, I'm going to wait for your answer. In the meantime, from the free manual, higher time frames and the smaller time frames, as I told you, this is the introduction to the multiple time frame trading for Monday. And it says we are going to have different trading styles and strategies like scalper, intraday trader, swing trader, and more. You know, and it's a concept to determine the general overall direction. You have the higher time frame, like the monthly, weekly, and daily, and then you have the short-term view or timing. And now you have the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, 30 minutes. I forgot, sorry everybody, 15 minutes. All right, and here is what this lesson today, what you should learn in this lesson is that you cannot win on the short-term trend time frame based on the long-term bias. Example, a scalper or intraday trader cannot go long. Just an example, a scalper or an intraday trader cannot go long. Example on euro dollar based on what is happening on the monthly or weekly chart. Sure, a scalper or day trader can analyze the market using higher time frames, but cannot base their decisions on when and how to enter, where and when to exit based on what is happening on the monthly, because the swings are too big for those two particular strategies. Does this make sense? Everybody, does this make sense? Sure, the higher time frame controls the lower time frame, but related to trading, to scalpers and day trader, this is another story. So, for the monthly and the weekly and the daily, you know, scalpers, those charts are not relevant. Intraday, so day traders, it's okay, you know. So to determine general overall direction, says the manual, nice, huh? But to determine the short-term view, you know, on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, 30-minute chart, so scalper, intraday, and swing trading, it's all okay. It may take some time to you, the trader, you're not a trader yet, you're an analyst, to understand the correlation between those time frames. How they work, when you can use them and when you cannot use them. So this is for Monday, not right now. This is for Monday, this is for Monday. This is for Monday. We are still here. Okay, everybody. We need to move, right? Is anything wrong if I tell my trader that short the market short term? So I'm here and I need to chart, right? I need to chart the medium uptrend line. I need to chart this one, make it blue, and I need to chart the short-term trend line, make it this orange. All right, so I have the aggressive one. Everybody, is anything wrong if I tell my trader I'm the analyst? All right, so short indicate short term because the market broke the aggressive uptrend line and the market it's making lower lows, lower highs. Would this be a fair analysis, everybody? So far? Would this be a fair analysis that you can tell your trader? Would this be all right? Like your skill level? All right. Now, so on the 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, I'm telling my trader to short the market. You are scared, huh? Come on, we're not judging anybody, But when I go on the daily, what is the daily telling you? On the 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, you are telling your trader to short the market. But now we move on the daily, just an example. And if we zoom in, what is the daily chart telling you to do? And of course, me and Sam, we are fans of elemental trading. Where is the... Give me a second. We have this guy here, the chicken, the elemental chicken. There you go. The elemental chicken, everybody. Background, there you go. Nice, huh? Boss, this is a bet. Well, whatever, This market's supposed to fall down to here, right? Oh, it's the bet. It's alright. No, I'm just joking, come on. Alright, everybody? Now, we are on the daily, right? Now, what would you tell your trader to do on the daily? If you tell your trader to short the market from the daily perspective, would this be correct or would this be not correct? What's the answer? On the 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, I told my trader short the market. But if I tell on the daily, would this be high probability or would this be low probability? I keep telling you, everybody, you're quiet, there is no right or wrong. Sam says not correct. Why not? The market made a lower low. Why would this be incorrect? By the way, Sam, you are right. This is not correct, but let's learn why. Why would this be incorrect? Boss, this is a crown. We are far away from crowns. Everybody, it's not that difficult. Think with me. This is a profession of probabilities. Now, what you are seeing on the 4-hour chart is this. What do you have on the 4-hour chart that you don't have on the daily? What is this called? What can you see? Point on the screen and explain to your trader that you do have on the 4-hour chart, but you don't have on the daily chart. This is a retracement, so what? We can trade retracements. What do we see on the 4-hour chart, but we don't see on the daily? Alright, let's make it like this. It's going to be better. What do we have on the daily? There you go. What do we have on the 4-hour chart that we don't have on the daily? You tell your trader to short the market on the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, it's okay, it's alright. But if you tell your trader to sell the daily, then it's not okay, it's not alright. And congratulations, Sam, you don't have a confirmed downtrend. Alright, everybody? Now, you are going to short the 4-hour chart, the 2-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, which is super cool, it's alright. What is going to happen on the daily? If I short the market on the 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, and if I put my stop loss up in here, on the 4-hour chart we have a confirmed trend. Yes, we do. Now look at this, everybody. We have a lower low on the daily, we have a crown on the daily, agreed? But the stop loss on the 4-hour chart is here on the daily. So what is going to happen on the 4-hour chart most likely? Do we have a higher chance of make profits on the 4-hour chart? Or do we have a higher chance of being stopped out on the 4-hour chart? And why? You need to understand the logic behind, everybody, how this market moves if you want to make money in the advanced institutional trader course. So my analyst telling me to short the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, the short chart, he is not wrong. We have some convergences, the market broke the aggressive downtrend line, right? But if me as a trader, if I'm not skilled enough, what is going to happen next on the 4-hour chart and why? We don't know how, but something is going to happen. Everybody, if this is the first down extension leg, if the green one, you have the same example on euro dollar. If you didn't make money on a demo account on euro dollar, everybody, it's because you didn't learn how this market works. On the daily chart, if this is the first down extension leg, market made a lower low, what is going to happen next? And you are going to have the recording and you are going to remember me and you are going to say, oh, but the boss told me this. Everybody, I bet money with you online that something is going to happen here. After an extension, what must come? After an extension, what must come? I don't know how it's going to happen, but I know it will happen. Exactly. If this is the first down extension leg on the short-term trend on the daily, a retracement must come. Wow. Isn't this valuable knowledge? And here comes the probability game. Maybe the market is going to fall down to here and then start retracing up and maybe stopping me out, or maybe the market is going to start to retrace already. So I don't know how this retracement is going to happen from the daily chart. From the daily chart, I don't know how this retracement is going to happen, but I know it's going to happen. Make sense? So from the 4-hour chart, it can go like this, and then maybe or possibly stopping me out. Or maybe because we are at past support, which we didn't learn yet, or maybe the market is going to go up starting from here already and stopping me out. Alright? So in conclusion for today, did I do anything wrong as an analyst on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Yes or no? Did I do anything wrong as an analyst? Telling my trader short the market on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart? Did I do anything wrong? This is how you lose money, beginner traders. It's all educational. Yeah, I did something wrong because I missed a piece of information as an analyst. Boss, are you trying to tell me that I cannot make money just looking at the one time frame Exactly, you got it. Everybody, if you are trying to make consistent profits for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years plus, and you are trading just from one time frame, I'm telling you, get your head straight and accept the idea that you cannot make money on the Forex market just looking at one time frame. Does this make sense to you? The sell was not premature from the 4-hour chart. No, the 4-hour chart is alright. Everybody, what did I do wrong as an analyst? On the 4-hour chart, it's all good. What did I wrong as an analyst? I didn't check the daily. Does this make sense to you? I didn't check the daily. And because I didn't check the daily, I didn't know, I was unaware as an analyst, this market has started a down extension leg and a retracement must come. So on the short-term time frames, I'm telling my trader to short, and I have a high probability of being stopped out. Not because of the 4-hour chart, because of the daily chart. Does this make sense? 99% of beginner traders, you might write this down, 99% of beginner traders lose money not because they are trading wrong on the smaller time frames, but because you are unaware what is happening on the higher time frames. Wow, right? Isn't this great information, everybody? Boss, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. 99% of beginner traders lose money not because of the smaller time frames. This is a no-brainer. You can learn this on TikTok if you want, but because you are unaware what is happening on the higher time frame. And now to the day traders that are uncoachable, stubborn, and losing money. Okay, I'm talking to you who are 3 years in the market, 5 years in the market, all right, and you are stubborn, okay, and you are not listening to the boss. If the 4-hour chart is like this, all right, if the daily chart is like this, all right, but the weekly is like this, all right, what is going to happen to the day trader shorting the market? Whoops. The yellow is like this. The yellow is the 4-hour chart. The blue is the daily chart. And the green is the weekly chart. And you, the day trader, you are shorting or the daily or the 1-hour chart or the 2-hour chart or whatever. What is going to happen here? On the 1 hour, 2 hour, 30 minutes, what is going to happen here on the daily? I'm not arrogant, I'm trying to teach you. I know some of you, you are 5 years trying to become a professional trader. and you are still not listening. What is going to happen if the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame? This guy here is the secret of the Forex course 101, and the issue is you are too stubborn, or maybe you have a bad habit that you are not checking the weekly. Congratulations to Sam, it will go up. Sam, but I'm a day trader. I don't need to check the weekly. Listen to me, Sam, but I'm a day trader. I don't need to check the weekly. You might be a day trader, but you might be a day trader for 5 years, but you are still not consistently profitable. So when you are telling yourself that you don't need to check the weekly, I'm telling you with all my love, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? But you are too stubborn, aren't you? You want to do your own thing, you want to invent hot water, right? And after this beautiful sermon, everybody, our time is up. Have a great weekend. Download this lesson, rewatch it a few times, and get coachable. Like Forex Rex from India, 13 years, but I'm still learning. After 3 years or 5 years, if you are not consistently profitable, I'm sorry to tell you, I'm telling you from my Lambo, you are not learning anything. Alright? You have to listen to boss, the mic, the boss. Sam, 80% of my students, unfortunately, in the Forex course 202, they become pizza traders. Make sense? Unfortunately, you are too smart, you know? Unfortunately, you're uncoachable. Oh yeah, you are a professional trader, you know, but you are a pizza trader. Make sense? Pizza trader is a trader who lives from the markets. He doesn't have a boss, but he can buy pizza with the money, not a Lambo with the house. Alright everybody, have a great